Cause if that cop got triggered, he better pull. Cause when I get pulled over, I usually play it cool. Cause I know what I'm driving is usually paid in full. And my ego and possessions will not let me be one B. Cause I got a mansion, my mansion got some rooms, and rooms got some windows, and my windows got some views, and views get some stairs, and my backyard does too. And if you walk to the bottom, you'll probably see a pool. You better not drown, keep them 10 toes up. Cause if them 10 toes down, I mean that you fucked up, and that's what I swim in.
And if I drown in